Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to make homemade face masks with pleats and elastic bands to hold behind the ears and a little bridge for the nose. You can make that out of kitchen towel or these wipes that you can buy in any shop, and colorful kitchen towels for children will work just the same. And that's what we're going to show you. These are not surgical masks or medical masks. They're just homemade things that you can make with children. They will catch a sneeze and help you not protect yourself from touching your face. We can make them out of the kitchen towels I'm showing you right now, or the service wipes, and which also you've seen. You'll need a ruler, a stapler to put it all together. I've got some elasticated string that I will use for securing behind the ears. I'll need two of them, as you can see the size of them, and then a wire for bridging the nose. Um, I'm going to make out of this kitchen towel, which is quite a robust kitchen towel, but anything would work in this case. Um, the easiest thing to do is actually to do that on an ironing board and to iron the creases. So I'm going to do that. The first thing to do is to fold the kitchen towel in two and then iron that tightly. So then I keep the crease in the middle. Then once I've got the middle nicely outlined, I can then make the pleats of the mask. So I'll make three pleats going each way. So this is the first set of the pleats. Note that it's easily done for each pleat. I can do this without an iron. The benefit of doing this with an iron is that the creases and the pleats stay in shape as I'm manipulating the mask, and so it's much easier to produce. Right, I've done one side of the pleats. I then do the second side. Again, I'm trying to keep the pleats I've already made in shape and get everything in line, which is why it takes a little bit of more care, but it's not complicated. There, I've got my three pleats. I'm going to iron that tightly so that all the creases are going to stay nice and sharp. Right, I'm now going to do the finishing touches on the top and the bottom of the mask, so everything looks tight. On the bottom, I'm just going to fold that in just like so, one last fold, and iron that shut. On the top, I want to then capture in there the wire, so I can create the wire for the bridge of the nose. So as you can see, I've done a double fold there, and in that double fold, I'm going to put the wire and then staple it shut. So then I can then use that wire so as a nice shape around the bridge of the nose, which is important so that your breath doesn't escape through the top of the mask, sorry. And also, if you wear glasses, again, having a nice shape around the nose means that your uh, your your glasses don't get all fogged up when you're wearing the face mask. All right. So as you can see, I've put the wire on the top and I've stapled that shut. I'm now going to make the holders for the elastic bands for the ears. So I'm going to fold one side of the mask, then iron it shut so it keeps that nice crisp fold and makes it much easier to manipulate after that. Right, fold that wire in, it's going to be okay. Then I'm going to put the elastic band in, fold one more time there, and then I'm going to capture that elastic band into that fold with the stapler. So three staples to go in there, just like so, and I'll do exactly the same on the other side. Again, I've got the wire sticking up, so I can just put it back in. It's not a problem. Again, I'm going to fold it in and iron it shut so that the crease, the nice sharp edge stays there. Fine. Once that's done, I'll do the same process again of taking the elastic band, folding the mask over it, and then stapling that shut so it's nice and secure. There, I have my mask done now. So all that remains to happen is I'm going to through a very simple knot, close down the loop of each ear. So first the left ear, there, nice and tight, and then I'm going to do the same on the right ear. And it's a very easy knot to do. There. Right, and my mask is now finished. A pleated mask with a little bridge for the nose so it stays nice and snug on your face. There. Right, it's a very easy thing to put on. I'm secure behind each ear, very comfortable. I then pinch it on the top of my nose so it's nice and tight, pull it below my chin, there, nice and tight across my face. That will catch the sneeze and it'll keep me warm. So thank you very much for following this video. It's an easy thing to make at home and I hope you have fun doing it and you can stay safe and healthy. See you next time.